Welcome to Money Moves. If you're new to investing and don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you how to begin your investment journey, even if you have no prior experience. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open a brokerage account. Platforms like Robinhood and Webull offer free accounts that are perfect for beginners. Signing up is quick and easy, and you'll be ready to start investing in no time. Why is it important to start investing early, even if it's just a small amount? The answer lies in compounding interest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Whether it's a 401k through your employer or a personal brokerage account, the key is to start now, don't wait. Once you have your brokerage account, you can invest in various assets like stocks, ETFs, and bonds. Here's a quick breakdown. Stocks, buying shares of individual companies. ETFs, funds that hold a collection of stocks or bonds like VTI or VOO, which track the largest companies in the USA. Bonds, loans you give to companies or governments which pay you back with interest. If you're unsure what to buy, consider index funds like VTI or VOO. These funds hold a diverse range of stocks, are self-cleansing, and have very low costs. They offer a simple way to invest without putting all your eggs in one basket. One of the best strategies is to set up recurring investments. This way, you consistently invest a small amount over time, which can grow significantly due to compounding interest. Historically, investments can double every 7 years, so starting early is crucial. Ready to start investing? Use the referral link in the description to sign up for a free brokerage account and get some free stocks to kickstart your journey. Remember, the earlier you start, the better. Good luck, and don't forget to subscribe and follow for more financial tips.